Unlocking the mystery of check order status. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical and useful phrase that you might come across often in the realm of online shopping and customer service: check order status. Understanding this phrase can help you navigate online platforms more effectively and ensure you're always informed about your purchases. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of this important phrase. Check order status is a phrase that refers to the process of looking up the current condition or progress of an order you've placed, typically through an online platform. When you check your order status, you're seeking information about where your order is in the supply chain. Has it been processed, shipped, or is it out for delivery? This phrase is your key to staying updated on your purchase, from the moment you click buy until the product arrives at your doorstep. Understanding and using the phrase check order status is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it gives you peace of mind by providing transparency about your order's progress. Secondly, it helps you plan better. Knowing when your order is expected to arrive can help you make necessary arrangements. Lastly, in the event there are delays or issues, checking the order status can alert you early, allowing you to contact customer service to resolve any problems. Checking your order status is typically a straightforward process, but it can vary slightly from one website to another. Here are the common steps involved. 1. Log into the website where you made your purchase. 2. Navigate to the My Account or Orders section. 3. Find the order you're curious about and select an option that might say View Order, Track Order, or Order Details. 4. Here, you should see the status of your order, such as pending, processed, shipped, or delivered. Pending. Your order has been received but not yet processed. Processed. Your order is being prepared for shipment. Shipped. Your order has left the warehouse and is on its way to you. Delivered. Your order has arrived at its final destination. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, check order status, and why it's a valuable tool in your English language arsenal, especially in the context of online shopping. Remember, being able to track your order's progress not only keeps you informed but also empowers you as a consumer. So, the next time you make an online purchase, don't forget to check your order status. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful tips and lessons. Stay curious, and happy learning!